What's up, NFT fam? It's your boy D to the A to the N to the Izzy. We're outside, live and direct, coming to you from a dock by the bay. As I sit here, I can't help but think about NFTs, as usual. I got nothing else going on. I look off in the distance and I see a bridge. Pretty controversial bridge. Why? That bridge used to cost 25 cents to cross. What? It was that way for a reason. You see, here in Palm Beach, the island and the mainland were created for two different reasons. There's one network on the island, there's one network on the mainland. That bridge was the connection between the two. However, at that time, it wasn't decentralized or democratized. You see where I'm getting at? Interoperability is the passing of data across networks. Why is this important? Because it builds the infrastructure, much like the reason downtown West Palm Beach was built, because it built the infrastructure for the resorts, hotels, and accommodations on Palm Beach Island. Now, I'm not saying that we need to separate social classes the same way it was separated here. What I'm saying is we need to democratize access to decentralized information, make it easier for us to pass it across networks so we can really start solving layer 2 problems and making the layer 1 networks much faster. Let's not ignore layer 0. Let's talk about interoperability. Let's talk about how we can really use blockchain and NFT technology outside of art. Always stay classy, never trust anyone, question everything. You know, NFT fam, I kind of told you a fib. I said I was going to go home after that last video on interoperability, layer 0, and infrastructure. But since I'm out here sliding in my lemon lime loafer letters, I can't help but to stop for a second at the 4 Arts Center on Palm Beach Island and give you a little illustration on interoperability. If I was the data set that was sitting over there earlier, and that bridge was a layer 0 infrastructure solution, and this location now is another blockchain that I've just transcended on over to, then what's up? See what I'm saying? Alright, my blockchain baddies. I'm still cruising for a bruising, because if I'm not moving, I'm losing outside the Flagler Museum, and I still can't help but think about NFTs, infrastructure, and all those layer 0 and layer 1 solutions. Stopping by the Flagler Museum, really reminded me about the early families that built the infrastructure we know today. Those that control the infrastructure, the passing of data, the passing of information, the passing of goods, the passing of value, ownership, I think they're going to be the ones that control the future. So listen here, blockchain baddies. I went for a waltz down Worth Avenue in my lemon lime leisure letters, and I can't help but think about NFTs. Why? Well, simply because if you know anything about Worth Avenue, you'll know a little bit about high fashion and what Balenciaga just did. So it still makes me think about interoperability and layer 0 solutions, because if I was a data set, a transaction, user identification information, I've just transcended multiple networks, completed many tasks, and I'm still on my way as I pop over here to the Worth Avenue Watchtower, just to remind you that you are wonderful, and so are the opportunities, blockchain, Web3, and NFTs.